Template strings methods are one of the most important concepts when you are working with strings or you are manipulating anything with string. Okay, hi guys, my name is Heman Panchal. Welcome to my channel. In this chapter, let's understand what are the template strings methods. So template strings allows template strings allows embedded expressions. Backtick is a very good practice to work with the strings in application. So let's now understand the main topic about the string methods. We have starts with method, ends with method, includes, and repeat. Okay, let's see one by one. So in the first, you can see string starts with except the two parameters. Second parameter is optional. First is important, that input string. So what you do is you check existence of a one string in another string if it starts with the specified string. So let's understand practically now. Let's understand in a very simple way. So I will define one variable, say str equal to, and I will say Punjab. Okay. Now what I will do, I will check existence of string at the beginning of the this str and at the end of the str. Let me print console.log str dot starts with str dot starts with, I will say, is my string is starts with hem. Okay, I will print this true. My string is starting with hem. Now let's check if it is a case sensitive hem. Let me refresh here. False. So this starts with method is case sensitive. So hem, this condition has returned me false, but this returned me true. Now let's check if hem is starting with hem, the string is starting with hem, but I'm telling that starts searching from here. Okay, so what I will do, I will specify the position of string 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so what I'm telling that start searching from here. Okay, now let's check. Let me refresh. Okay, it is returning me false. Now if I say just search pan, I will refresh. Oh, now it has returned true. So what it is doing, it is basically searching pan, and search has start from this position, from the seventh position. Okay, so this is a starts with method. Now let's check what ends with is doing. Is like it returns again the boolean value same. What it says, existence of a string at the end of the string in another string. Okay, whatever you specified in the parameter. So in the similar fashion, what we will do, we will check ends with, and what I am doing, I am writing end. I am telling to search from zeroth position. So let's check what it returns. It is returning false. My string is not ending with hem. So now let's understand what happens in end, how to check. So I will check here 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so what I will specify here is 5. Okay, and what I will tell, so checking will start from here in the reverse order. Okay, so I will check existence of a and t. I will start from 6 here, existence of a and t. If I refresh here, I'll get true. So this is how it works. You need to specify the end position of your string. If I specify 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. If I specify 14, and what I will tell that just check if this is ending with here chal. If I refresh here, again it will return true. So this is how ends with work. So now let's move to the next method, that is includes. Includes basically returns a boolean value, that is true or false, if string is completely exist in another string. So whichever you pass in the parameter is exist in specified string. Okay, let's check practically. Now what I will do is I will comment these two lines. Now what I will tell, just check str dot includes of a and t. Okay, is my complete string has a and t word together. Now if I refresh, yes, it will give me a value true. If I check capital A and T, it will give me false. So this is how include works. Now what I will tell that start searching A and T from 7th position. So let's check what it gives me. It is giving me false again because string is not having A and T from the 7th position. Now let's say last method about the repeat. Repeat is basically it is used to repeat the same string to the n number of times, whatever n is a integer number that you specify in the count parameter. Now if I specify here console.log str.count, sorry, str.repeat, I'm telling that repeat this str 5 times. See, Heman Panchal, it is repeated 5 times. So this is how repeat works. So that's all about these string or template string methods. These are very useful methods. It is used to search any small string in the big string that you want to filter out some data. Whenever you are working with web application, you may have seen that you can filter out your result set. So basically this type of features is working on those filter types.